Impossible versus Beyond Burger. Who do you think's gonna win? Drop your bets in the comments below and let's get this battle started. Here we have the Beyond Burger on the right and we have the Impossible Burger over here on the left. We're gonna cook these on medium heat on a non-stick pan for about 4 minutes per side. My particular pan does get pretty hot, so I'm actually gonna do a medium-low for mine. We're about 2-3 minutes into cooking these, and just visually you can already see that the Beyond patty is a little bit more sizzly. There's a little more juice or grease on the top. The Impossible one looks a little bit drier, but we will see how it turns out. All right, let's go ahead and flip our patties over. Here's the Beyond. All right. Oh yeah, you can definitely hear that sizzle. Okay, now for our Impossible patty. Whoa. All right. Okay, we can see a little bit of a visual difference too here. You can see the Impossible patty looks a little bit more of a dull color, kind of like a grayish brown. This one's a little bit more reddish for the Beyond Burger. Now I'm gonna be making these burgers into cheeseburgers, so I picked up some mature cheddar slices. This is the Violife brand, but you can pick up any type of vegan cheese that you like. All right, so our patties have been cooking. They look nice and brown on both sides. And again, just visually, you can still see this Impossible patty looks a little more dull than the Beyond, and the Beyond's got a lot more sizzle and juiciness around it. So now I'm going to add my cheddar slices over each patty, one on each. And then I learned a special little secret hack from Sauce Stash. Check out his YouTube channel. And you just add a little teeny bit of water to the pan, and then you just cover the pan with a lid and let that steam, and that's gonna melt our vegan cheese really nicely. Oh, look how nicely that cheddar melted. Dang, these look like some good cheeseburgers. All right, we're gonna make a real quick burger sauce to go with our patties. So this is gonna be more or less equal parts vegan mayo. I've got Follow Your Heart right there. Ketchup, relish, a little squirt of yellow mustard. You could do Dijon mustard also if you prefer. And a little bit of salt. Go ahead and just mix that all together. All right, and that should be ready to go for our burgers. Now, of course, we've got to have our burger buns, and I'm gonna spoon on our burger sauce onto these. Now, I'm partial to potato buns. They're my favorite, but any kind of burger buns that you like will work well. All right, oh, look at that. Oh, the cheese melted so nicely. That's the Impossible patty right there. And here we've got the Beyond. Well, the Beyond patty shrunk quite a bit. Look at that. Yeah, that one had a lot more fat in it, I think. Okay, now we're just gonna go ahead and top these with some tomato and some lettuce, whatever your usual burger toppings of choice. Looks pretty good. We're gonna plate these up. My partner is going to put these on separate plates so I won't know which one is which. And we're gonna give these a taste. All right, let's slice open our Impossible Burger first. Oh, take a look at that. Ho ho. Now let's take a look inside the Beyond Burger. They smell so good with that burger sauce. It smells like In-N-Out. We've got our Beyond Burger over here on the left and our Impossible Burger on the right. And they look fairly similar to each other, but just kind of visually looking at them, I actually do think the Impossible patty looks slightly beefier in terms of variety of texture. The Beyond patty has a little bit more of a homogeneous looking texture. So now for the final test, we are gonna taste these. Well, I never thought I'd be blindfolded on camera, but here I am. So my partner has identified these burgers as A and B, I've been told. Is this A?
Yeah.
Okay,
no, that's B.
That's B. Okay, this is A. Burger A. All right, so I'm gonna try this one first. Okay, I hope I don't make a huge mess all over the place. Something's dripping. It's got a good bite to it. Tastes like a burger, what can I say? All right, I'm gonna drink some water now, cleanse my palate. And I'm told this is burger B. Here's burger B. Here we go. I feel like this one's got more flavor. Yeah, they're both really good burgers. I mean, I would eat any one of these like at a barbecue or whatever, but this one's a good burger, but for some reason I'm feeling like this patty over here has more of, I don't know if it's like smokiness, just more punch. Maybe they put more salt in the patty, I'm not sure, but I said burger B is the winner. All right, so now we gotta reveal what burger B is. I don't know. Okay, oh, I'm excited for the final reveal. I'm gonna guess which one is which, and then we'll find out if I was right. I think burger A was the Impossible Burger, and I think burger B was the Beyond. Let's see if I was right. Beyond! I was right! Okay, A was, oh man, I really got sauce all over the place. Impossible. Yeah, I mean, the Impossible Burger, it's great, you know. Texture was a little bit mushy when I bit into it. It tastes like a burger, nothing to criticize there, but something about the Beyond, like they really went above and beyond making this patty. I don't know how they did it. Comment below if you've tried these patties, which one is your favorite? You got any favorite toppings to make them go to the next level? Let me know, and have an awesome summer of grilling burgers or pan frying them if it's winter time. These are good any time of year. Cheers. Oh gosh, I hope I don't like break a glass or